You don't need a 90-day challenge to save your soul. You don't need a year of finding yourself. You need one day, one single, uncompromising decision to stop the rot. The truth is, you aren't lacking time. You're lacking the courage to face your own reflection. Today, I'm giving you the blueprint to reclaim your power. This isn't a pep talk. This is an intervention. Let's fix your life right now. Step 1, radical self-confinement. Pick your day. From sunrise to sunset, you are in isolation. No phone, no internet, no quick checks on social media, no music to drown out the silence. Why? Because you aren't broken, you're overstimulated. Your brain is a static-filled radio that hasn't been tuned in years. We are drowning in the noise of other people's lives. To find clarity, you must first find silence. If you can't survive 24 hours alone with your thoughts, it's because you're terrified of what they'll tell you. Step 2, the mirror ritual. This is the part most people are too weak to do. Walk to a mirror, stand there, look yourself directly in the eyes. No distractions, no background noise. Just 5 minutes of pure, uninterrupted stillness. Ask yourself one question. Who am I pretending to be? Don't look away. You'll feel that tightness in your throat. That's the mask slipping. You've been performing for a world that doesn't care about you. This is the moment you stop the act. This is the moment you get honest. Step 3, destroy to rebuild. Get a notebook. This isn't for a to-do list. Write down 3 things: the habits that are rotting your potential, the people who drain your energy, and the lies you tell yourself to feel comfortable in your mediocrity. Look at those words. Now destroy the page. Rip it into 1,000 pieces or burn it. Writing creates awareness, but destruction creates a boundary. You are sending a signal to your subconscious. That version of you is dead. There is no going back. Step 4, the warrior hour. Now we shift from the mind to the spirit. Set a timer for 60 minutes. This is your warrior hour. First 20 minutes, move. Push-ups, a hard run, or a freezing shower. Force your body to remember what it's like to struggle. Next 20 minutes, brain dump. Write every fear, every anger, and every dream onto paper with zero filter. Let the chaos out. Final 20 minutes, absolute silence. No phone, just breathe and exist. You will feel a shift, a sense of presence and control you haven't felt in years. Step 5, the 9 p.m. rule. At 9 p.m., return to the mirror. Don't analyze, don't judge. Just look at yourself and say, thank you for showing up. You didn't need to be perfect today. You just needed to be present. Most people spend their lives running from themselves, but you stood your ground. You didn't hide, you didn't scroll, and you didn't lie. You faced the truth. You aren't fundamentally flawed. You're just buried. Buried under comfort, buried under fear, and buried under the opinions of others. One intense, honest day can change the entire trajectory of your future. Not because you became a god, but because you finally stopped pretending. If this woke you up, don't go back to sleep. Take action. Fix your life today. If you're ready to level up, join the tribe. Let's get to work.